Today we're going to go ahead and look at my stats for the current year of 2018 using the wick trading strategy that I have implemented last year. So far to date, I haven't had any losses this year. Over 100 trades completed, and overall the strategy itself is really well, using higher time frames to identify momentum patterns and wick patterns, and starting to look for the patterns to look for to fill those wicks on the lower time frames, looking for entries and exits, trying to gather anywhere between 10 pips to 20 pips at a time. So it's a really simple strategy to learn once you kind of get the grasp of it. Obviously the most important parts is risk management and handling your emotions in trading. So that's the most important part. And then we're just going to go back and look at the last 6 months of trading the wick strategy with 0 losses in the last 6 months, and plenty of trades, increasing lot sizes as I go, fixed lots until I reach a certain point, then I'll up my lot sizes, managing my risk properly and taking 10 to 20 pips at a time, usually compounding entries, just following the momentum. It's a really simple strategy to learn and grasp, and obviously over the last 6 months I've accumulated $300,000 in profits using this strategy. And I'm not looking at charts every day. I'm not trading every single day. I trade when I feel like it on patterns that I like to trade. And if you just stick around to the channel or message me on Instagram at dread.pirate.forex, and you can add yourself to my list. I am doing mentoring 3 to 4 spots per month. I don't want to overwork myself, and I want to make sure I have plenty of time to help everybody, so I'm only going to do 3 or 4 people a month. So if you're interested in learning how to trade this strategy, just reach out to me on Instagram or through YouTube, and we can get you put on the list. And further down the line, when your time comes, we can work together to get you some knowledge in trading Forex. So thanks for watching.